Gotta keep winning, gotta keep winning, gotta keep winning, winning.
What up, YouTube? This is Calvin Bond from Bond Trucking, coming to y'all with another video. On this video right here, I'm just gonna kind of ramble around. I had to take my truck to the shop, so what I'm doing right now is I had to put, let me show it to you. I had to put one of these locks on there because the last time I took it to the shop, somebody came and got my trailer because I was off too long for them. So they came and got my trailer. I'm not trying to do that this time. Then I gotta look for a trailer. Can't make no money without no trailer. Having the truck is alright, but the money's the freight. Freight go in the box. But yeah, y'all. Ah, this is my car. I've been having it for like 4 years though. I'm a Kia guy. I'm gonna go get it washed. Gotta go pick my daughter from school. She in college, so gotta go pick her up first. But I'm gonna get back at y'all in just a minute. Checking back in. I had a couple of messages on, it was on different platforms, and they was asking me about, they said they know that it was some freight in Texas and why I just didn't grab the freight that was in Texas. And then another one asked me, was I scared to deadhead? No, I'm not scared to deadhead, but it's got to be worth deadhead. Okay, on this video, what I'm finna try to break it down, but at the same time, oh, excuse me y'all, I'm drinking energy drink. But it's got to be worth it. If you deadheading, it's got to be worth it, because they only go pay you for loaded miles. They don't pay you to deadhead, not over here anyway. And we only get 65% of the load, so that's all you go get paid to actually from where you pick up to where you drop off. So the rate on that have to be high enough to add your deadhead in, because just because they tell you they don't pay for deadhead, your fuel ain't free from where you dropped off at to where you pick up at before they pay you. You still got to pay for that fuel, so you got to add that fuel in. I seen a couple of loads on the board, but they was loads that was 200-300 miles away, and the load was paying like $1.20 a mile from point A, from pickup to drop off. That load is not worth it, because once you put that deadhead in there, you're not even covering your fuel, and you still got truck payment, you still got insurance, you still got bills at home. So I'm gonna make another video. I added to this one. So if you see loads on there and you add your deadhead to that load, and that load is cheap, don't pull that load. We're not out here to work for them. We're out here to make money for us and our family. And I'd rather idle than to pick something up and lose money on it. If the freight was running, if the freight was okay, and I was in a dead zone, and the load that I had to get into that dead zone was worth it, I mean, it paid good, then yes, it makes sense. Keep it short to get back to a money line. But it was nothing out there. It wasn't nothing in Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi. It wasn't nothing anywhere. the loads that I seen was like from Laredo to Houston, and it was paying like $1.20 a mile from Laredo to Houston, and I was 240 miles away from Houston, and Laredo is at the bottom by Mexico. So that was nowhere near worth going even. I didn't even look twice at that load. So the reason why I'm saying this is because, yeah, they had a couple of loads on the board, but it was nowhere near where I was at, and it wasn't worth going that far to get it because the pay would have sucked. So basically what I'm saying is, we're not truck drivers. This is what I used to say on my old videos. We are not truck drivers. We are business owners that drive truck. And we have to conduct ourselves as business owners. Never forget that. Because once you forget that, your business fails. I'm out.
Gotta keep winning, gotta keep winning, gotta keep winning, winning.